I should just leave it like this. I'm from the West Coast. I don't know if I'm throwing them gang signs, so let me stop. Welcome back to my channel, beautiful people. My name is All Things Essential. I am a self-taught inspiring makeup artist. I learned everything I know from YouTube. 3 things I need you guys to do when you come to my channel. You're gonna learn with me, grow with me, and you not gonna judge me, okay? Because we are all here for a reason, okay? I'm going to be creating a Pride look in case you guys want to go out to a Pride event or you're part of the LGBTQ community. This is going to be for you today, and I am so excited about this look because I love color. You can't tell right now, but I love a pop of color, and LGBTQ community, it's always a lot of color. So without further ado, we're gonna stop talking. Well, you're gonna stop talking, Essence. I'm gonna stop talking and get into the video. Also, excuse my background because I am in the middle of moving, so yeah, if you see boxes in the back and whatever, then don't worry about that. I am moving, but we are doing makeup today. Don't focus on that. All right, guys, the first thing I'm gonna do is take the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil in the color Blackest Brown, and I'm gonna take that and shade in my eyebrows. What I'm doing, I'm taking a glue stick, laying down that end of my lash. Then I'm going to take my Black Oprah setting powder and open that and take a little bit out of that. And I'm going to press it on that spot that I just put the glue on. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes with the Crayon case eye glue because we are doing a little eyeshadow today. Not that much though. We're not doing a lot because I already filmed a video for Pride, but like I said, my phone was messing up, and when I got to the end, it messed up. So hopefully it don't happen like that today. So if you're watching this video, it did not happen. Okay, it didn't happen. It gave me so much trouble. I'm like, really? But I'm trying to do Pride? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? So, all right. And with that same, what do we call this? Sponge. I'm gonna call it a sponge because that's what it is. We're gonna take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. I have to get used to telling you guys what I'm using because I literally use the same stuff. So it's like, if you go in all my videos, I use the same stuff. Okay, so we're gonna just pat that over there so we can, eyebrow disappeared. All right, so in the crayon case, I'm going to take this yellow, and I'm gonna apply it right there. I hope this lighting is good because we're gonna just pat it into there. We're gonna take orange. Then we're gonna take some pink. Okay, so y'all see those colors coming together, and I'm going to conceal my eyebrow just like as if I was doing my daily eyebrow routine. All right, we are back. Eyebrows are done. Now we're gonna move on to the eyes. Okay guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and take my LA Girl Pro Concealer again. So I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna create a wing across my eyelid. I pushed my hair back for a reason. Why is hair up here? Oh, it's in the tape. All right, now that we made this wing, I'm gonna go ahead and take my purple out of the crayon case. And we're gonna take the blue. Now we're going to take the green. Now we're going to take the yellow, also in the Matted Book palette. Now we're going to take the orange. Hold on, let me. We're going to take the red. Down, we're going to take the pink to top that off. All right guys, so we finished the eyes. I hope you guys like this. We are going to top it off with some lashes, but we're going to beat the face first. And remember guys, I created this look by using the Matted Book by the crayon case. I'm going to put this in my makeup kit because you never know when you got to use glue. We're going to get into the beat. First, we're going to take the e.l.f. Blemish Control Primer. Get that out the frame essence. We're going to prime my face. We're gonna be using the L'Oreal True Match in the color Milk Chocolate. I'm gonna pour a little bit. I need a refill on this because I've been using it to death. All right, now I'm going to be using the Sephora concealer in Bright Future. Fenty. Rihanna, if you see this, sis, call me. Taking the Black Oprah again setting powder, and I'm gonna set under my eye. Now I'm going to take this contour from palette from Black Radiance. True Complexion is in the color Dark Too Deep. They gave us a highlighter in here, so I'm gonna try the highlighter.
Okay. I just got excited there because I like it.
We're gonna add a little blush. This is e.l.f. blush palette in the color Dark. Y'all already know what time it is. Set it off in this, set it off. Don't make me set it off. Hey.
You set it off. Period.
Be using Eyesthetics eyelashes today. This is one of my YouTube friends. Her name is Ariana. Girl, if you're watching this, thank you for these lashes. This is what I'm going to be using today to bring this look. All right, guys, I got 10 more minutes before I have to go to work. So I'm going to go ahead and top this off with a red lip. So here we go. An ombre red lip. I'm taking MAC. Yes, I told y'all I have some name brand stuff in my kit, and this is Ruby Woo. I don't know what the name at on here, but this is Ruby Woo. This is the final look. Happy Pride. Also, make sure you follow me on social media. Make sure you definitely follow me on Instagram. That's where I post all of my content, all my pictures, all my quick shadow looks that I do on my page. I am on Facebook, I am on Twitter. Make sure you follow me. All of my handles are below this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.